Push Rod Fury. I picked up the 79 XLH at the end of September. I dug into the carburetor and found it needed a total rebuild and good ultrasonic cleaning. I also found the starter relay was shot and had to be replaced. And then onto the brakes, rebuilding the master cylinders and all the calipers and replacing the lines with stainless steel. Also, found some interesting electrical hacks. Those needed to be straightened out. Rebuilt the forks, replaced the steering stem bearings and rebuilt the front end, replaced the clutch, and fixed a faulty generator. And here we are.
Okay, got it to run. So is clutch installed. I'm going to take it for a ride, and I just realized I don't have my helmet mount. So this is stupid. Yeah, no helmet mount, so no damage down. I'll put the camera maybe on my bike. Maybe you can see me. That's it on the iron head. Boy, it's smoking from all the oil and cleaning and stuff coming off the engine. So I'm going to go scoot it around and I will update you later. Wish me luck. I took her around the block a few times and I'll say it pulls really strong. I had one little pop, one little hesitation moment, but I got it through all the gears real smooth. The garbage off. Need to put the air cleaner on it. The engine's got oil all over it from WD-40 and other overspray, but you got to put the fender on it. But it seems to work. Man, out in the daylight, it sure is showing signs of wear and tear. Anyway, there it is, 79 Sportster XLH, and it took its first ride on the street in at least 20 years, so that's not so bad. Well, I got to start my real work day, so go to work and earn the bread it takes to keep this thing on the road. All right, we'll see you.